Lesson: Analyzing potential value and recommend solutions. Analyzing potential value and recommending solutions is a critical competency within the realm of business analysis, particularly in the context of requirements analysis and design definition. This process involves identifying, evaluating, and prioritizing potential opportunities for value creation and designing solutions that address key business needs. To excel in this area, professionals must leverage actionable insights, practical tools, and structured frameworks that guide the analysis and implementation of effective solutions. One of the foundational elements in analyzing potential value is understanding the concept of value itself. Value is not merely financial gain, but encompasses any benefit realized from a solution, including improved efficiency, competitive advantage, customer satisfaction, and risk reduction. The first step in this process is to establish a clear definition of value in the specific context of the organization. This requires collaboration with stakeholders to understand their objectives, pain points, and expectations. Utilizing tools such as stakeholder analysis and value stream mapping can provide clarity on how value is perceived and where it can be optimized. Stakeholder analysis is essential in understanding the diverse perspectives and interests within an organization. By identifying key stakeholders and assessing their levels of influence and interest, business analysts can prioritize which needs and requirements are most critical. For instance, a stakeholder matrix can be employed to categorize stakeholders based on their power and interest, allowing analysts to tailor their communication and engagement strategies accordingly. This ensures that the proposed solutions align with the strategic goals of the organization and are more likely to gain stakeholder buy-in. Value stream mapping, another powerful tool, helps visualize and analyze the flow of information and materials required to deliver a product or service. By mapping out each step in a process, analysts can identify areas of waste, inefficiency, or bottlenecks that detract from value creation. For example, a manufacturing company might use value stream mapping to pinpoint delays in production caused by equipment downtime, leading to recommendations for preventive maintenance schedules or equipment upgrades. By optimizing these processes, the company can enhance production efficiency and reduce costs, thereby increasing overall value. Once potential value areas have been identified, the next step is to evaluate and prioritize them. This involves assessing the feasibility, impact, and alignment of potential solutions with organizational goals. A cost-benefit analysis can be instrumental in this phase, providing a quantitative approach to compare the anticipated benefits of a solution against its costs. This analysis helps in determining the return on investment and informs decision-making regarding which initiatives to pursue. For instance, a cost-benefit analysis might reveal that investing in a new customer relationship management system will significantly improve customer retention rates, justifying the initial expenditure. In addition to cost-benefit analysis, decision matrices can assist in evaluating and prioritizing potential solutions. By establishing criteria that reflect the organization's priorities, such as cost, impact, risk, and time to implement, analysts can systematically compare different options. A weighted scoring model can provide a visual representation of how each solution measures up against the criteria, enabling informed decision-making. This approach ensures that the recommended solutions are not only viable, but also strategically aligned with the organization's objectives. Once a solution is selected, it is crucial to design and implement it effectively. The design phase should focus on creating a detailed plan that outlines the solution's components, processes, and technology requirements. Tools such as use case diagrams and process flowcharts can help visualize the solution and ensure that all aspects are considered. Use case diagrams illustrate the interactions between users and the system, highlighting the functional requirements that must be met. Process flowcharts, on the other hand, provide a step-by-step depiction of how the solution will be executed, ensuring that all stakeholders have a clear understanding of their roles and responsibilities. The implementation phase involves executing the solution plan and monitoring its progress to ensure it delivers the anticipated value. Agile methodologies, such as Scrum or Kanban, can be particularly effective in managing the implementation process. These frameworks promote iterative development, allowing for continuous feedback and adaptation. For example, a software development team might use Scrum to break down a project into manageable sprints, delivering incremental improvements and adjusting the scope based on stakeholder feedback. This approach ensures that the solution remains relevant and aligned with business needs throughout its development. Case studies offer valuable insights into how organizations have successfully analyzed potential value and implemented solutions. For instance, consider a retail company that faced declining sales and customer dissatisfaction. By conducting stakeholder analysis and value stream mapping, the company identified that long checkout times were a significant pain point. Through a cost-benefit analysis, they determined that implementing self-service kiosks would reduce wait times and improve customer satisfaction. By using agile methodologies during the implementation, the company was able to quickly adapt to customer feedback and optimize the kiosk's functionality, ultimately leading to increased sales and enhanced customer loyalty. Statistics further illustrate the importance of this process in driving business success. According to a study by McKinsey & Company, companies that excel in business analysis and design definition are 30% more likely to achieve their strategic goals and realize significant value from their initiatives. This underscores the critical role that effective analysis and solution design play in achieving organizational success. In conclusion, analyzing potential value and recommending solutions is a multifaceted process that requires a deep understanding of organizational goals, stakeholder needs, and market dynamics. By leveraging tools such as stakeholder analysis, value stream mapping, cost-benefit analysis, and decision matrices, business analysts can identify and prioritize value opportunities. The design and implementation of solutions should be guided by structured frameworks and methodologies, ensuring that they deliver the desired outcomes efficiently and effectively. Through practical application and continuous improvement, professionals can enhance their proficiency in this field and drive meaningful value for their organizations.